Get ready to witness the most formidable forestry machines on Earth. These incredible titans are revolutionizing the industry in ways you've never seen before. Let's dive in. The Morbark 50/48X is a powerful horizontal grinder designed for high-capacity wood processing. Its robust construction and advanced technology allow it to handle large volumes of wood waste efficiently, making it ideal for forestry and industrial applications. With its aggressive cutting system, this machine can reduce logs, limbs, and other wood debris into manageable chips or mulch in no time. It's a true workhorse, delivering speed and precision in even the toughest conditions. An excavator equipped for stump removal is a powerful solution for clearing large areas of land quickly and efficiently. Using specialized attachments such as stump grinders or stump rippers, the machine digs around the roots, dislodging the stump from the ground. This combination of power and precision makes stump removal by excavator an essential tool for heavy-duty land clearing projects. The truck is in serious trouble, unable to move. A second vehicle arrives on the scene to assist, towing the heavy load free. It's a dramatic rescue that highlights the coordination and power needed in tough situations like this. SY-215, F paired with the Ponce H8. Harvester head is a formidable combination for forestry operations. The Sani excavator provides exceptional stability and power, while the Ponce H8 head delivers precision in cutting and handling trees. Battling against the odds, the truck makes its first attempt at climbing the steep, muddy hill, but slides back in defeat. Unfazed, the driver takes a deep breath and tries again, expertly adjusting the vehicle's angle to conquer the treacherous terrain. Together, they offer a seamless process for felling, delimbing, and bucking trees, making timber harvesting more efficient. This duo shines in tough environments, where the harvester's ability to process large trees with speed and accuracy is crucial. Its forestry head allows for precise cutting, delimbing, and processing of timber, making it ideal for both large-scale and selective harvesting operations. The machine's stability and maneuverability ensure safety and efficiency in tough conditions, showcasing the perfect blend of raw power and advanced forestry technology for high-output timber harvesting. The Ponce, the lads. Scorpion. King is a game changer in modern forestry, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional power. Its unique 8-wheeled design provides unmatched stability and mobility across tough terrains, while the advanced harvester head offers precision, cutting, and delimbing. The operator's cabin rotates 360 degrees, allowing for a clear view of the working area. enhancing both safety and efficiency. Its robust design, combined with the advanced H8 harvester head, allows it to tackle the toughest logging jobs with ease. The machine delivers smooth and efficient felling, delimbing, and processing, even on challenging terrains. With its ergonomic operator cabin and cutting-edge automation features, the Ponce Ergo provides comfort and control, making it a reliable and high-performing choice for professional logging operations. A beautiful yet perilous scene unfolds as the truck slowly navigates through a snow-covered landscape. The towering logs behind it sway slightly as the driver approaches a sharp bend, showing incredible focus and skill. The truck, towering in size and nearly filling the entire tunnel, inches forward with precision. The driver, calm and composed, navigates the tight space, adjusting the massive vehicle to avoid scraping the sides. It's a display of exceptional skill, proving that even in such confined conditions, the truck is in capable hands. The truck groans under the immense weight of the overloaded logs, but the experienced driver keeps a steady hand on the wheel. Every bump and dip in the rugged terrain is met with careful control as the vehicle slowly makes its way up the narrow, challenging road. Despite the extra burden, the driver's skills make it look easy. Packed to the brim with timber, the truck appears almost impossibly full. As it approaches a sharp turn on the steep hill, the driver expertly maneuvers the vehicle, avoiding any missteps. It's a tense moment, but with years of practice, the driver guides the heavy load with precision through the bend. The slippery road glistens under the weight of the rain, creating a treacherous path ahead. But the skilled driver remains unfazed, effortlessly guiding the heavy truck through every twist and turn. With precise control and masterful handling, the slick conditions are no match for their experience as the truck continues forward with unwavering confidence. The overloaded truck lumbers along a muddy, uneven path, the tires sinking deep into the ground. Yet, the driver remains calm, accelerating just enough to maintain traction without spinning the wheels. Slowly but surely, the truck continues forward, conquering the difficult terrain without losing control of its massive load. Facing a steep, narrow mountain pass, the driver of the overburdened truck keeps their focus. The vehicle sways slightly under the extreme load, but with careful adjustments, the driver navigates each curve with perfection. It's a delicate balance between the sheer power of the truck and the driver's expert control. Loaded beyond its limits, the truck rumbles down a slippery, wet road. The driver skillfully controls the descent, using engine braking and calculated turns to prevent skidding. Despite the adverse conditions, the driver manages to keep the massive load in check, guiding the truck safely through the hazardous route. The truck struggles up a rocky incline, its cargo stacked precariously high. Every movement seems to push the vehicle to its limits, but the driver's deep understanding of the terrain helps them make minute adjustments. Eventually, after a difficult climb, the truck reaches the summit, the load intact and the journey successful.